Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanner 9003 in League of Legends. So here's what you gotta do. Go to search, type in run. In run, you wanna type in this msinfo32. You wanna open it. Once it opens, you wanna look for secure boot state. If it says here off, then you have to enable secure boot in BIOS. And you can do that by looking for baseball product. And you wanna copy this B450 Gaming Pro or whatever it says for you. And you wanna go to Google, YouTube, and type in B450 in my case, but for you, whatever it says there, just copy that and paste it in YouTube. B450 Gaming Pro, secure boot, and I'll show you my video for it, and then
just a quick video showing you how to change the BIOS on MSI motherboard. I have B450, I think, with updated BIOS, so it looks like this. So you won't be able to play like Valorant and I don't know what, maybe League incoming if you don't have the secure boot enabled. So what you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. Change it to standard, and then like change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work.
and after you have enabled the secure boot, just restart your PC and then boot up League of Legends once again, and your issue should be fixed, and the Vanner 9003 should be gone. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanner 9003 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.